Get inside the vehicle.
Sir, I don't know anything. These people are framing me. It's a huge blunder.
Get into the vehicle first, Savitri. Give way. Come on, go aside. Get inside, man.
Let's go, madam.
Why should I come?
For a small formality, medical checkup. We'll take a statement and then send you back.
They're calling you, right? Nothing to fear. We all are here, right? Listen to them. Just for formality's sake. Gange, you please go with her. She's scared. Please take care of her. Come, please go.
Don't worry, I'll be with you. Don't cry.
The police have arrested a bank manager who tried to rape his colleague. Mangala Cooperative Bank manager Govindan Kuti has tried to rape his colleague Nirosha and got arrested. He has also abused and harassed her at the workplace.
Mom,
he allegedly
Daddy's in
entered her
TV.
house when she was alone. Based on neighbors' report, the police
What
arrested
happened?
him on time and have taken into custody. She had also lodged a complaint to Women's Commission regarding the same issue 2 months ago. It's an irony that she is an executive member of Women's Equality Association. It's only because of the main members of the same association reached the spot on time, Nirosha is saved from death. Let's talk to the association president, Vasundhara.
The victim in this case, Nirosha, she is like a daughter only.
We have arrived on time. Otherwise, he would have killed her. But he's already raped her. Her entire life is spoiled now.
The victim, Nirosha, has now been taken to a medical examination. Madam, can you please tell the details of that report for our viewers?
Intercourse has happened and there is no doubt about it. And it doesn't look like it has happened for the first time. And it looks like it has happened
Mom!
to her many times before.
Don't go, Mom. Please, Mom, don't go.
What are you doing? Where are you going now?
Mom,
Where are you going now?
I'm leaving, Mom. After all this happening, I cannot live with that person here.
Listen, you should not go in this situation. This is definitely a trap. He has not done anything and he can't do such cheap things at all.
If it was a few days before, I wouldn't have had believed this. Even if he would have killed anybody, I would have accepted it. But this... Oh, shit! Mom!
Manju.
Please don't go, Mom! Please!
Manju.
Don't go, Mom! Please! Please listen to me! Don't go! Don't go, Mom! Please! Please don't leave me, Mom! Don't go, Mom! Please!
Hey,
Please
come.
listen to me! Don't go! Grandpa! Mom is going! Mom! Somehow we managed to get admission here. Until you get a better place, you can stay here. Yeah, let's go. Warden is actually waiting for us. Come.
Govindan Kuti Zindabad! 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 Yes, come on. Yes, come.
Yes, come on.
Hey, give way, man.
Yeah.
Get inside.
Come on, get in.
Yeah. I'll drive.
Come on. Govindan Kuti Zindabad. Govindan Kuti Zindabad.
Why it is happening for you only? I told you that day itself to keep your revolutionary thoughts at home only.
Why are you making him sad with your words? These are the consequences when few females do wrong things. You need to understand.
We would have not come to this house at all. We lost our peaceful life.
Everything will be fine, Mom. Your son did not commit any mistake. Truth wins.
Then we will leave. Okay, see you later.
Okay.
Come, let's go.
Okay.
Come. Take this.
What is it? Is it a letter from her?
No. It is a notice sent by a lawyer. Divorce notice.
Oh my god.
So the matter has reached to such extent.
Dad, what is divorce notice?
You won't understand if I explain it now.
I will give all the credit of this dramatic achievement to none other than Mrs. Manju. And it will be unfair from the part of the company if we don't reciprocate the hard work she has put in. The hard work of Mrs. Manju and her sincerity is unmeasurable. So, with all your permission, dear board members, from now onwards, I have promoted Mrs. Manju to GM operations of our company. So, that's all for the board meeting for today. Meeting dispersed, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Excuse me, Manju. 1 minute, please sit down. Are you happy?
Yes, sir.
Mrs. Manju, I forgot to tell you. Next Wednesday, I have to go to Munnar. Purely official. Manju should come along with me. You got me right? And before we leave, the project report should be ready.
Sir, I have just done the preliminary outlook of that.
No. It's not enough. By tomorrow morning, 10 a.m., it should be ready on my table. Okay? Manju, do you have any problem with that?
Sir, but the warden is strict.
Oh, is it Miss Janaki? I will talk to her. She's our person.
Okay, sir.
Where's Appu, Mom?
He's sleeping since he's back. He's not eaten anything.
Why? Is he not hungry?
He's suffering and missing his mother a lot. Poor chap. We really don't know how to convince him. On top of it, classmates in the school are teasing him a lot. What can he do? All this is our fate.
Since he's back from school, he's crying a lot to see his mother. He's really worried a lot. He cried for some time. Then he slept.
You do one thing. You take me and your son to the hostel where she's staying. You be inside the car and I will take him and show his mother.
Okay, Dad.